Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how you could run your applications on an actual device. Now if you are using the Android emulator, you might have had a bad experience with the Android emulator, and that is because if you are using a low-end PC with low RAM, then you are going to face problems with the emulator, and even if you are using a good amount of RAM, still you are going to have some problems with the emulator. So instead of running your applications on your emulator, what you could do is that you could run your applications on your actual device, and one way of doing it is by building the APK file and sending it to your device. But it is the inefficient way of running your applications. So it is fine if you actually want to import or if you want to send a file to someone else, then building the APK is fine. But for production purposes or development purposes, what you need to do is that you need to actually connect your device to your computer. So basically you need a USB cable in order to connect your phone with the computer, but there are a few things which you need to take care of after you are done connecting it. So whenever you are done connecting, and when you click this button right here, you are going to get your device right here. But in many cases it is possible that you won't get this option, and in that case what you need to do is that the first thing which you need to do is that inside your phone, go to settings, and inside we go to the about option or the about phone, and inside the software version and inside the software information we go to more, and then you are going to have an option which is called as build number. And what you need to do is that you need to tap the build number 7 times so as to enable the developers options. So when you tap the build number 7 times, then it is eventually going to open up the developers options for you. Now once the developer options is open, you go back to settings and you will be able to see that there is a developers option available over there. Now you simply need to select that option, and once the option is selected, you simply need to tap the developers option, and then finally after tapping it, you will be having a USB debugging option which you need to enable so as to run your applications on your device. So once you are done doing these steps, you simply connect your device, and when you run your application by pressing this button, you are going to have an option in which you will have your device right here. So when we simply click OK, this time your application is actually going to launch on your device. So that's how you basically run the applications on your device for development purposes. So if you are developing applications and eventually and every time if you want to execute the application, so it is a better way or it is a better choice to go with the device instead of running this application on the emulator. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys understood how you could enable developer options on your Android phone. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.